Hi everyone. This is our customer from Indonesia, Mr. Michael.
Yes.
Michael, say hello to everyone.
Hello. I have visit at this machinery is good facility in factory and good quality product. Thank you for asking.
Okay.
Right.
After our meeting in our office and workshop, we will make a short review to Mr. Michael. Hi, Michael. Is it your first time to China?
No. We have visit to China before.
How do you think about our service and our product?
You got excellent service, and I seen your product is good quality. Good. Very good.
Okay, do you have any suggestions to our future cooperation?
I hope we working together for future.
Okay, thank you, Michael, and wish to meet you in Indonesia in the future.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.